Hello, everybody. Mm. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building, guys. Oh, yes, my beautiful people, I greet you not too much, no time to check time, guys. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. I thank you so much. So we get Ogboge matter we want break on this morning when one of our fans break on we want talk this morning. Please, good morning, happy new year, guys. Happy new year. Happy new year. Happy new year, guys. How do I look, guys? Happy new year to you all. I greet you wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes. I appreciate you all for coming, for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you. I appreciate you all for being there. Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Oh yes, my people, I thank you so much for being there for me and for subscribing. How do I look this morning? So get to get matter we want to talk about today, my beautiful people in the house. Yes. We get to get matter we want to talk about today, my beautiful people. So it's about one of our fans. Now bring the topic on. Maybe say we want to analyze this morning. Please, if you today is your first time visiting Vera TV program, please don't fail to subscribe and give thumbs up to that video, guys. And please don't fail to give your good comments on comment section. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Happy New Year once again all over the world. I wish you happy New Year. Thank God we meet again. Yes, guys. Thank you, my beautiful people. God will bless now. So wait till I break on today now about waiting one of our fans my fans bring come yesterday. Now they watch me, they follow up my program, you understand. So now no say I made the talk on the way it be, my beautiful people. So this one will still give our ladies sense. This one will still give many of our women sense, especially for this German, this country when I did. So now the thing for happen, my beautiful people. And please try to listen to this video till the end, my people, so that you too, maybe say you want still for victim, you go still get sense, so that you know go for put, so that you know go you two no go fall put, you no go come affect you time comes. So my beautiful people, is about one of our sister. She live in Germany. They Germany here, my beautiful people. So una know as they be now. So this our sister, he can't get belle. So when he get belle now, this man I carry from Italy come here. As the man carry from Italy come this place, now they got a day, so she can't get belle. You understand? When you can't get belle, can't born. First one now here for born. Second one now here for still born as well. So you can't get two picking. When you can't get two picking, I don't say matter now for country now. This one, that one. Although he said the man based on say na him carry am come, but the way they treat am, they try to deal with am. They still dey look am because of his children. I know we women we dey bear because of children. So he can't get to do any be say the man. He look and say okay, he say na one be one born for them, but when he look and say okay, one pikin no good, may he still born join am. So now he take boy can get two boys. Say so as he can't get two boys, then he dey try no matter what he dey do, he dey see dey ignore, he go comot sometimes, he go sleep outside, he no go call am, he no go talk to am, he no go do anything. Even when they call himself, he no go pick a call. After he don through, go ask and say, why you dey call me? Why you dey disturb me? This one that. Meanwhile, the time when never but they take am like God though. If they take am like say tomorrow never dey, because this our sister never first still born before. The brother too never first still born before, you understand. Now the two of them are these two pikin boys where they born, so now they start to born when they are two take day, you understand. So meanwhile they are two day the same house. He say okay, you know say man and woman they house, and also okay the money that will they pay for children account, you understand. Both her own body, two children, two boys and her. Say that will they pay for the man account. He said when they go just pay money, say this man you know go stay house again, no go stay for house again. He said at that time you go just see this man go just dey waka like mad person, even to even buy food for house, even to even buy from food, okay, buy food. He said the man go say if you dey buy something, he said the man go say abeg go, so if you buy something make money no finish o. He go ask and say okay, make money no finish, children no go eat. Meanwhile he no go know say the money don share into two places. He say na so they do and but though you know they two they put eye, but then he go say money dey your pay and I don't feel. Say na so they go manage till month go end. This man are not ready to work. This man are not want use heart. This brother no want use heart. They do anything. He say he called the be say no quick notice. When be say the man he go carry money. Meanwhile the money wey they pay because na account they pay and put. You know gonna say this man don't share money to two places. He don't carry one pattern. He go ask this man, what he use money to? This man no go fit give account of what he use money to do. So he go dey imagine, so this kind man be this one. But he no quick know. He say when he go they buy something, now he go take notice. Why he be say if they buy something, this man go they complain. And he go they ask, okay, how the money call work? He said this man go say, you buy this one, that day, you buy that, then he go try to calculate something. Wait till they don't buy never reach 400, 500. How come money go your from 1,002 to 1,002 something go your finish? No knowing that this man, you get who you they spend money for, but I don't really understand my darling people. I don't know why who get head, no get cap, who get cap, no get head. And when you say this, our beautiful sister, she's a nice lady, and she's a lady when they be saying, she's very calm. She's very calm and cool and respectful. I don't know why be say who get head, no get cap. He said this man be doing it, he no still worry. Sometimes his head go see come, then he go see boom. He said, man, why not knowing that this man get another thing for mine? Make he go work. This man don't want to work. Make he do better thing with his life. This man refuse to do something with his life. He said, can't reach one day when he come board the second because the second beginning of the growth. He said, one, he no say people when they follow up and down for Dutchland. Boys when be say they don't get why, they don't get anything when they follow, they go. Can't go meet them, they can't go talk, say, waiting there, make it do zone garage. They call the thing 50-50, my people. Most of the poor man, I say they be now. With two boys, so he said, now he call and I call and say, hey, get what they do for picking now. And maybe they are two, you're doing because the man not say hard, not pure. Now he call go to say friend, call and say, you know what you go just do now? That thing just good. Parents they do blah blah blah. He say he still look up. And no worry. He come meet her. May they do may they for nothing collect their picking. This one, that one. That's my phone, the ring. Phone there inside the ring. You understand? He said I got a meet time. We got and say, madam, wait till yours day now. He just gets some kind of thing where he say they just need to do. Now he comes and say, what be that? He say the thing at 50-50 when mama and papa they get the same equal right with picking. Mona here, oh, this message is for women. It will make you learn. It will help you ladies. He said, now he call say, I don't want to do this thing. They say, I know, if you do it very good, it's very nice, it go make them this one, that one. He said, nah, they can't go book appointment. He can't go find one of his friends when he give her the code. He said, nah, they can't go do one. He said, when they can't do one finish now. Then you do it, never reach 1 week. He said, the man, you're the rich chest. You're the rich chest. You're the rich. Wait till they happen. He said, yes. He don't get right over and now. Yes, the picking now when the woman they form of tonga. Now they say equal right to the congregation. Now he calls and say, wait till happen. He say, yes, now because now the woman calls and say, okay, now wait till make you pet and make it do equal right with you for the children's side. He say, yes, now he can talk, he can do this, he can do that because he want the phone say he not big get it. Not big get but when she born now you can sign and you can do everything. He said the way the man cut it, they do not worry yourself for your born. He said, man, why the thing when they do about money issue when they be say money can you go use them. He said the thing got to worse when he say they don't go do equal right, they say 50-50 for picking. He said the thing got to agree. If you have to go say, you know say these children, now they say equal right, man, you get to. You don't need to talk to me like that too. You don't need to do this one. No. If you don't say nothing, take care of the picking, and you feel leave for me. Now she said, make it leave picking. He know where be she know she the Chris or she know where. Which kind talk be that one? He said make it day, you know, make it park when I say, wait till she call talk. He said the worst part, the money, you know, they see where money they enter. Everything when you do, the man go your divest. Anything when you do, the man go your divest. Anything what the man go your divest. Now you call someone, they say, which kind of thing can't be this one? Okay, what if they want to go meet them, make them the pay money? He said if he try, you know what he go talk, this one, that one, he go talk, say her head not correct. That from there, he go use a collect picky for a hand. More now they hear on when they do 50-50 with me. It's not that it's not good for you to do equal right with your man for kiss. When it be so okay, it's good maybe because of say okay 1 or 2 ways. Okay, you want to do it for you for the man to have equal right with you, so that now two they talk decide how the children go take it. It's not that maybe you not go, but before you go give out to man, you need to shine well. If now man when you go they threaten you, now man when you go let you rest, now man will be say you don't want work. He want to take care of pikin, he want to carry pikin, he want to take care of pikin, don't do one with him. Now wait till this our sister they pass through right now. That is what she is passing through. He say he go tell them because say this our sister thought say she go come out go tell them because enough he can't die for hungry. Money she know they see. You felt worse before, but the way they you to do this equal right now. The thing now you call worse. But not be so you felt tell her because okay you tell us okay see that they collect pikin this one that okay make them for not collect my money too for. Now she take green. Now a bad thing she do when she take green. May you get equal right with her. He said that one I don't know. He said that one I oh no, that one not concern her. Sis, he wants put her for one chance. The woman now want claim say she too get sense. This woman now want claim say she too wise. She want come out go talk say you want to collect money and the picking money. He go tell and say their hair not correct. That's also disturb for her. That's also talking the talk for us. He said now what did the man talk? He said why nothing they do. You know they they sick headache. Talkers of say now so in all way. He said the word then is what if you talk. If I say your head not correct, if I say you know the mad. Now what did they happen right now? How they tell you? He said this morning the man go say if I say your head not correct. And this morning if I say you know he said fear know the letter they talk. Oh God forgive them because some people don't know what they are doing. He said fear not they let her they talk for us my beautiful people. He say if you talk, if I say your head not correct, talk if I say you know where, if I say no the colo, now what he make you say you go carry those children no. Now she has and say, okay, what do you they do now? She not get right to talk. Or she not get right to talk, so what they do now no go. Okay, you no go both. If you talk, you go see here not correct. Now he say he reject her. Now your family now you get madness. Now their family now they decrease. Say anytime we talk, you go reject and because you know they talk that one before. The moment they you to do this equal right with her, when you to do this equal right with them. Now so if you talk say how you do money, you go say her hair not correct. Okay, now because she come out now say one go tell, he say you go tell they say her hair not correct, my people. Say the woman they mad. That means this man is purposely dealing with this our sister. Made them for say her hair not correct. Made them for say she dey sick. Made them for say she not go fit take care of the children, two picky, two boys. Now what did the man call they do? When make her they cry, come outside now. Yesterday she called me. We will do video about it. And another video, that first video when I don't say man bring his wife come to the door and share. Today, Mona try to follow me this evening. We'll do live video this evening about her. So maybe tomorrow, this very topic, maybe she feel couple, maybe she can't explain to her. Add the man, take the maltreat about 50-50. It's not that it's not good to have equal right with your man because okay, fine, it's okay. The children now you born her for. Okay, that kind of thing come of course. Okay, make it still get her because of the way that they do collect all those kind of things. Okay, she accept for the man for them to do it. Now the man is not using it against her. That's the problem she's having now. Say the time when they never do that 50-50, this man not toss her hair not correct. No, I say your hair not correct. No, I say you the mad. Whether I waiting who fair tell her make it come to 50-50 for the children. Whether I waiting the man cause he tell her make it they tell her. So that make she for not the talk for her say her hair not correct. You know, he say he want to go say he not sure say go fit take care of the children. If I say your hair not correct, if I say you don't be mad, if I say this one not be mad again, this one be like you don't the colo. Then he call and say so she not go fit talk. Now you can't use and tell me. He said the way the man caught the maltreat and is so over. And I say get having 50-50 does not stop you to be a bondage. Having 50 equal right with your kids not supposed maybe say now that one go cut the pull her for your eye. Now that one go cut the maltreat you, the threat you and say now lie. You have the right to stay on your own. Because me, I know the advice women make them come out for their marriage. I know the advice they say, okay, leave your man. No, I don't do it. I still let her know. But you, no, now you wear shoe, now you know where for they pay you. Say, okay, call police for your man. Or go tell them, say your man, this one, that one, or go they report each other. No, I know they do on my beautiful people. You understand me? So what he call they baffle me now, my beautiful people be say, he said the way the man can't they do. Any smoty she no way. Any smoty she no way. Any smoty she no way. Cause which one can't be she no way, she no way. If I say no way, because of say that 50-50 when they do, the man is not trying to use it against her. The man is not trying to say she no where she's mad, she's this, she's that. So now you got to say it not go fit. Okay, money adult they do if not so. If they pay, if not 400 you give her. Make she the hoe so that if hungry want kill her, she go see where they touch, they carry money. He said this man say lie. This man say na strategy. Now he won't cut they collect money so that the money not go. Now he go say since get to 1 year plus, I be get to 1 year 7 months now. You have been collecting this money. Now you they collect all of them, not be waiting be 1 year something. Since now you they collect the money when they take day together. Since then now you they collect and now you they spend. If you ask you money, go say, eh? If you say where money, go say money don't finish. Then it's okay for to know how to calculate. Okay, what did you give her like 3, 4, 500? Make she they hold. Okay, make you hold down so that if me wants to buy, me go break off. If she wants to buy, she go break off for you. If he wants to, they wants to buy something, you go see break on. He said this man say lie. He said the worst part are hungry. This man take the beat them. Ah God, who get her not really get cap. He say hungry. Now this man cut it, they beat them. Hungry as in this man don't even care whether they exist. This man go you your pay, go you happy. You go they follow a friend. They go they drink, they break bottle, they dash money, they buy things, they give some get where they carry, they go. My people say money no go see for eye. If you want to buy something, go they bring one 5 euro, 10 euro, come out for a side purse. You know go bog. If she goes for the one with the pay now most. If she goes for market or the they buy something. If they buy something, they go say I go. He don't do. Money not they go say when the new pay, how you they do money? I tell and say it's not done. He cannot use that to ride on you. He cannot use that to deceive you. Because either good or bad, you are a mother. You need to buy clothes for those children. You need to buy shoes for them. You need to let those children look good. At the end, now you are the woman. Now you they go ask. If you are not taking, now what I tell them, if you are not taking care of those children, they are looking well kept. You know, they buy new clothes for them. They last time to say the senior one don't start school. Okay, how you cut it, they buy clothes for the people? We say the man now go carry money, no go see. Food, you know if you buy food, you don't clothes. He said, so clothes, you go they find, they carry up or down. Say, which can lie be that one? I hate that. That has just nonsense. Either good or bad as a man, you go and work. If you know so okay, money that they give you are not rich, go and work. Not to an extent say the money not the rich. This man is going to spend the money anyhow. He said no, they buy something. My people. He said go say money won't finish. But so if you carry something, he said the worst part the Yoko supermarket. Say the Yoko supermarket. He said the man go they say not buy something. You want to buy the things finish. So if you buy something, so if you buy something, so if you buy something, you go they say what it be this one? Why it be say you they complain if she they buy something? When we say money, he say they new pay, now so the man they complain. So I got to tell and say you are in bondage. You are really in bondage. You don't need to keep that. You are really in bondage, man. What kind of rubbish is that? The man is just using this our sister. He didn't even say the call to 50-50. He said the thing come was the man not the letter they talk. The man not the letter they do anything. Either good or bad, you as a man, they give her money so okay for children. You need to give her some. So that she can say buy clothes. Now say you say you not feel buy for picking when you born for her. Now on your body you won't feel buy put. He say our own they know you they talk her. He say our own a second cloth now be the best cloth when she gets. Now second cloth now she they wear. You know the boy they toss say one buy cloth. Why nah? At the end this woman now call leave this man. I don't say a single mother they hungry and won't go shop to picking money. So I call let her know say you are in Germany. It don't work that way. Even if they work that money. You need to give you what you need and for the case. Talk less of government, they support you now. And at the end, they collect the money, they misuse all the money. You know, they see money for eye. You talk, you go say why you talk. You do this, you go say why you do not tell and say no. It's not that I'm advising you to leave them. But if you look as it is, now you wear the shoe, now you know where for they pay you. Because this one is so obvious. And those of maybe say 50-50, maybe say is not that it's not good to have equal right with your man because he's the one that holds those children. Now you born the picky for. But you have to watch very well. You have to learn from this. If you know say your man and man will be say he like wahala. Now man when he be say he like to take up a key. He don't want even work one day for this country or for any country when he day. He don't want work. He don't want use and touch anything. All what he knows is about how government go take bring money every month and they make it they take. You have to be very careful. 50-50 equal right. German they call them zongeresh. Abia they call them. You need to watch well. Except man when you not get time. Man when they work when you not get time. Not be say not get time for you and the kids. As they to come and sit at home before say they take up a key. He not go want to work like this one. You don't want work so you don't want look for work. It depends on month end government go pay. If you know it's that kind of man, my darling, don't do it with that man. But if it's a man that is working, even if he's not working, it's okay. Still do that government. Now man when they respect, he say, now man when they plan, okay, tomorrow I can still work. Now man when they be say, if they plan good for your family, he want make una better, he want make una good. He want make una work one day, may get money to take care of you and your children. You can do it for him. But if you know is a man of troublemaker, like this very one I just explained right now. You know, say that man a man of troublemaker. Now, man when no go gree me you carry pikin tomorrow. Now, man when you go want collect pikin for you, not follow Aduamo. Because when you follow Aduamo, go land up like this way. This man they talk now. This man is praying for a way to collect the 2 pikin for this woman hand. They say he go take care of the children well because say the woman don't they crazy, the woman don't the man. Meanwhile, this woman not they get, she not the sick headache. In fact, she don't even have a cough or catarrh or even fever. She don't have. But meanwhile, this man is not threatening her. Say he not wear the name of say when he talk about the money, he go say he not wear. He better say your hair not correct. He better say you don't the man. This one you know if you take care of those children. You know if you take care of those children. He better say the children don't tire you. He better say no if you take care of those children. He better say now you go take care of them. By the way, now man they take care of pikin. I don't understand. Now man they take care of pikin. Which kind lazy men, lazy ass. Some of them be this one. For abroad, because of government money. But if na Africa now, una no go so na want take care of na children because na want carry the una dey see. Una see where that Africa no go better. Okay, because say if na Africa now, you no go talk say you want carry pikin. Because why? You don't want pay, you don't want work to take care of those kids. You don't want spend money for those children body. So you don't want to. You don't want to. You understand me, my people? They will never say, okay, now, as it don't day right now, so, okay, they want work. Okay, what kind of man is that? My beautiful people. What kind of man is that? Okay, not be man supposed to the work, they give woman. Okay, but if in Africa now you leave pikin for them, they'll say they want that because say government not they give them money. But when it comes to abroad, not all men are they use some. Like this very one I'm just explaining right now. Okay, man now want they drag pikin for mama hand. They say mama not well. Now so mama they sick. Then they talk and before I don't believe. If this woman say no see breathe this matter, come go say maybe na lie she dey lie. Now bro man for the fight say want take care of pikin. But if na Africa now they go they cry, they'll say they don't want to take care of cause and they go walk, take off their children. But abroad now they want to take care of pikin when their mama they alive, when their mama they healthy. So my beautiful ladies out there, this message is for our lady. If you know you live in Germany, you know you live in Europe. This message now for una. Una when they do 50-50 with man, when you know say the man not serious, the man and man will be say tomorrow go collect pikin for your hand because that 50-50 when he lie against you, when he record you, when he lie against you, when he packets you like say you be mashes. At the end, they will collect the pikin, they will give the man. So you need to think twice. If na man will not want to work, na man will not want to work tomorrow say want to take care of you and your children. Na man when they fight for every month money. Na man when they be say government never pay, you go to check account make you know whether they don't pay. Na man when they be say you know why if you use hard they do. You have to be very careful. That 50-50 is not a day job. Zongeresh. It's not a thing you play with. It's not a thing you temper with. When you know that man, not be responsible man. If not be responsible man, don't do it with that man. So wait till I can't tell this our lady, you can move on with your life. Because this one is just bondage. As in this man is just trying to use this our lady for crying out loud. She just want to, this man just they use this our lady. And her nothing they happen. Okay, give money, no, you don't want to give money. Work, you don't want to work. Go look for work. Many men, they don't go, they look for work. Even though they never see every time, every day, they'll go, they look for a job. Say this thing will not be like that. So my darling ladies out there, please, not go for VT for this thing. Zongeresh is not a thing you play with. And when it be say 50-50 for Peking, now they put this man, the woman, they go so. He said the time when he never do one, it be still good. When he got to do one, he said na threat, he called the threat and say one collect pikin for your hand. And this man don't the plan and finish. One collect pikin for her hand. Please, my beautiful people, try to share this video and drop your comment below. If you get advice for her, you can drop it. Maybe tomorrow we'll do the live video of this video. But one we want to today will be a man when he bring wife come and bro when he send her a shower, may they work or they give her money. Today will be on live video on that. So Mona come here, but say she will call. She will call put. So just try to come and listen. Waiting some men. I don't know waiting some men when you're taught to for abroad. In the name of our abroad. I don't know waiting some men when you're taught to the name of money. If you need money as a man, go and work. Fine, say woman still they work, but at a time, That does not mean you as a woman not give your man respect because, okay, because the government they support now, you know, give your man respect. No, I don't say that. But you as a man, still give your woman respect. Now sit there on that government see the support now. Wanna plan her together, wanna carry her together, wanna plan life. So that her tomorrow go take better for now body, the children. Not just to collect the month and they collect the shop and you spend that many her tomorrow. That money is made for service. Save for those two children, they keep buy good clothes for them. Don't use the money for rubbish because they will grow up one day and they will need your help. They will need those money. At the end, we will not be giving them excuse. This, that. Open account. You can open account for your kids. Even though na 20 euro put, I don't they talk this word many times. You are a mother, you are a single mother on a day together as husband and wife. You can go open your accounts. You can also post back and say you can open Dutch Bank, you can open a Vos Bank. Just go and open. So, okay, this bank is for my child. You want to put 20 euro, any amount where you get in fact, you they put any amount where your hand reach every moving on 10 card, 100 card, anyone where your hand reach, will they put. Do service for that child. Not be to carry and make the man they misuse am. At the end, now the rope go come town and to at this very one where they go now, the man not they use the money where the man is not even planning of tomorrow, planning how tomorrow will be. It doesn't make any sense. It's not good. So my beautiful people have to drop your good comments. Thank you very much. I appreciate you also. Please try join me this evening on Vera TV program for a man when he bring his wife come abroad, make all the do a shower. So one explain her today. That's it. She will call put try to come and hear what is some men they use of women I think they see in the name of say call for abroad and Nigeria if I know this woman. So man, I can't hear my beautiful people. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. So I'm about to end this very video right now. Please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give your good comments and how we can help this our sister. Maybe next tomorrow we'll bring it on live video. Then you can contribute and call and give her advice what to do, because we are here to help ourselves. As men they give themselves advice, so we women still need to give ourselves. Me, I know they join con they beat this and they tell the truth for where the truth. They don't know me. I'm the truth teller, the Vera TV program, the only one that said the truth the way, say the matter the way it be. Wanna remember that's me for you. So guys, I love you all. I appreciate you. I'm about to leave you guys now. So please don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time visiting my channel. Please don't forget to give a good thumbs up, guys. Oh yes, my people, God bless you. I hope you will enjoy the this and try to listen to the end. Thank you very much. I'm about to go right now. Bye.